Hello enjoyers, in this video we are going to see in the background how I implement my automaterial. Also I want to talk about my project. I released my last video 2 weeks ago, and that's because of two reasons. First of all, I got sick and I am still sick. And second reason is that I learned a lot about animations, locomotion system. I tried to implement new for me system, which is motion matching with orientation warping and stride warping, so it took a long time before I finished that locomotion. I know that most probably you are not interested why I didn't release videos, so I'm going to share my knowledge about my study right in the next video. But one short note, there is too few good animation packs in the Unreal market that covers all necessary movement for AAA locomotion. Yeah. Hey, if you want to support my channel or get access to my assets and projects from the videos, you can go to my Patreon page and subscribe here. Currently I have here car assets for car projects. You can get some assets from the space themed game series up to episode 12. There is a lot of stuff. You can get actually 3D model of car with completely rigged and open doors. So it is possible to get. And also you can find some different stuff like character for space shooter or weapons and so on. I would appreciate any support anyway. So let's move to the video. But let's return to automaterial and landscape. At the end of the previous video, I created automaterial but didn't implement it on the landscape. So in this video you can see that I assign texture for layer and make adjustment for layer if they are necessary. Mostly it is all about texture bombing and texture scaling. Then I added automaterial layer in the master material because now I have all necessary layers for that. The next step is adjusting all layers slope masks and fall off. And there are 4 slope masks, so I need to consider every 2 layers blending settings for every mask. You can see that I don't add all grass layers in automaterial, and it is because there's too many layers and I won't manually add them once I would need to create some new biomes with specific landscape. At the end I used the landscape mode for manual painting to check out my layers and adjustments for them. And that's actually it. The video is short, but it is because I'm kinda sick with the flu and it is hard to work, study and recording at the same time. I will come the next week with animations and it will be very interesting. And I will maybe even create a guide about motion matching. Just let me know in the comments, are you interested with that topic? And that's it. I hope you enjoy. If so, hit the like button, share comments and subscribe to the channel, but most importantly, enjoy. See ya.